All right, we are back for day number 9. And today I took two trades. One was a long, another one was a short. So initially, there was news at 3 p.m., which I decided to wait for them to come out and trade only after the news. So before that, I see that we were bullish. I see that we've reacted from this order block, this 1 hour order block right here, and I see that we clear out this high. And at this point, I'm thinking, okay, this is very bullish. There's a high chance that we might visit these highs right here. Not this line, but these highs right here. So I'm going to look for longs. I'm going to go on the 1 minute and I'm going to look for longs. So initially, this sort of top pattern plays out and then we get a break. Then I see this small little consolidation, I guess you could call it. And I see that we break away through this high and I'm thinking, okay, maybe it's time for me to long this since I'm bullish on the day. We can easily visit these highs and then I'll see if I want the trade to play out higher. So we ended up not doing that. We went straight to the stop loss, and that was minus 1 hour for the day. And so, again, if you see the last videos, whenever I get my bias wrong, especially on bullish bias, I always get this sort of movement. So I always get faked out into entering and then getting wrecked like this on the trades. So then I thought, okay, so maybe we're bearish on the day. The 1 hour candle looked very differently. It looks like we reacted from this order block right here and we went back down. So by this time we were here and I was still thinking, do I want to short near these lows, especially when initially the trade was not giving me a good enough risk to reward. Initially the stop loss was somewhere around here and the TP was actually, wait, TP was here and the stop loss was somewhere around this area. And I was like, okay, do I want to short this? This is barely even a target. So I decided to go with one contract, which is $116. And I think, okay, this is less than 125. So, okay, maybe it's worth to take this trade. Maybe we'll get a small consolidation and then we'll go lower. So I entered the trade and I get this right here. I get this reaction from this candle down and then I get this push and I'm thinking, if this doesn't hold, if this order block right here, I guess you could call it, does not hold, then I'm fucked. I'm just over trading. I'm just entering based maybe on emotions. I don't know, maybe I'm trading, rage trading. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. But at the time, I was very calm because I knew that I still had the whole day to play out, and I just decided, okay, this is the setup. We clear out this low. We form this order block. We shouldn't really go above here, but just in case we go, I want to see at least this fair value gap this small fair value gap get respected, and then we go lower. So entered here, we get this, then we get this push down, and I'm said, okay, we cleared out this low. What am I looking here? I don't want price to break above this high. So I moved my stop loss to here just in case we can just do a small sweep. Move my stop loss to there, and I was thinking, okay, now we need to push lower. Then price sort of hangs around here, and then finally pushes lower. I see this candle forming. I move the stop loss here. Again, I see this whole push down. I move the stop loss to around this area right here. And at this point, this trade would have made me break even on the day. So it would have made me at like maybe $10 profit or so. So barely break even. And at this point, I'm thinking, okay, we are sweeping higher time frame lows. Do I want to risk the possibility of the trade reverting all the way through and I get stopped for $100 profit, or do I take profit here because the difference is literally $37 and I stopped being a greedy motherfucker. So I took the profit here, and yeah, that was the second trade. That was the second short. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you again tomorrow for day number 10.